What's up, juicy boys, juicy girls? And now, it's been a while since we unboxed a new shoes. And so may unboxing video tayo ngayon. I know this already late. This not a new model. So it's a Nike Air Jordan 1. So actually this is my first Air Jordan 1's OG or highs. Wala pa tayo, hindi pa tayo nagkaroon nito ever since. So this is going to be my first time kasi as you know, every time there's a release of Jordan 1's highs or OGs, ang hirap kumuha. Talagang it's really hype. And after that, if you haven't had the chance to get it SRP, then you need a lot of money, you know. So yan talaga eh. Jordan yan, diba? So Jordan 1, actually tagal na to sa akin, hindi ko pa nagagamit. And since gagamitin ko siya ngayon, better doon na ng unboxing, diba? For our vlogs. So, part to ng vlog natin eh. So let's do this! Unboxing this Jordan 1. So this is a Jordan 1. So my size is size 10 US. It's called the Retro High OG.
How much did that cost?
9,000 plus. So this is the Electro Orange Jordan 1s.
That's a cool.
So it's not an OG colorway. They say that this is the version 4 ng Shattered Blackboard, but sabi lang naman nila yun. But still the same Jordan 1s with the extra laces. Ganda pa rin naman siya, although hindi siya yung ganun ka-popular, hindi siya masyado naging hype. And if you're going to check the price of this Jordan 1's stock X, hindi naman siya ganun tumaas. It's pretty much the same from the SRP. But for me, it looks good. And meron kasi akong matching na watch dito, orange, yung Seiko na orange natin na limited edition na turtle. Diba? Matching. So this one to be my first time to use this one, kaya in-unbox na natin siya. So there you go. About the leather, maganda naman yung dito, yung part na yung tumbled leather niya, maganda dito. Dito it's the usual leather. Ito, it's a shiny orange, and pretty much yun lang. Majority ng kulay is white. So sabi nga nila, pagka ginawa to black, itong part na to, mas maganda na siya. Talaga ba? But
You can smell it.
but for me, it's all okay. I think I can rock these shoes, di ba? So Jordan 1s, may experience ko na rin gumamit ng Jordan 1s na high. Meron pala akong Jordan 1 dati, low cut siya, yung tag doon, Royals na Jordan 1 lows. But for the high cut OG, ngayon pala tayo gamit ito. With the Jordan 1 pattern sa sole, sabi nila, ito daw pinakamakapit na dito thread pattern pagdating sa soles. But malambot siya. Okay, I'm excited to use this. So ano ba mas magandang tali? Black, white, orange. Gawin na lang muna natin black ngayon for now dahil aalis na ako. Kailangan natin magbihis. Ayan, try natin next time na lang yung ibang kulay. We have white and orange shoelaces, extra laces. Alright, so that's it for my unboxing of the Jordan 1 High OG Electro Orange. Next, meron pa tayong isa pa na unbox. So, abangan nyo. It's also a Jordan. One of my favorite Jordan shoes ever. And ang colorway nun is OG. Abangan!